Stop scrolling. Have your body has an unpleasant odor? Here are 5 signs that you should look out for. 1. Your body odor seems more intense than normal. If you notice that your body odor is more intense than usual, then it could be a sign of an underlying health condition. This could be due to something like diabetes or an underlying kidney condition. 2. Your breath smells unusually bad. Bad breath can be caused by many things, but if it's persistent and stronger than normal, it could mean there is something wrong with your oral health. Visit your dentist to get checked out right away. 3. You're prone to frequent bouts of sweating. If you find yourself sweating more than normal without doing any physical activity, this could be a sign of an underlying condition such as hyperhidrosis or low blood sugar levels. 4. If your bad breath and body odor are accompanied by extreme fatigue or exhaustion, this could mean that you have an underlying condition such as anemia-related disorders. Taking preventative steps and addressing these issues now can help keep them from becoming worse over time. Click link in bio and visit blackveganshop.com.